my kitchen. We did the chicken in the Instant Pot in the last video. If you haven't seen that, go back and watch it. We seasoned it, cooked it, tore it apart, did some chicken and dumplings with it, with the dark meat. I have the white meat here that we're going to be using for chicken salad. For those of you who don't know me, I used to own a little burger restaurant down in Hartselle, Alabama. We were known for our burgers, but we also had a few other things on the menu. This is one of the things that was on there, was our chicken salad. It's very good. All right, so we've got the chicken in the bowl. We've got a tablespoon of sugar in this bowl here. We're going to be using cranberries, and they're kind of tart, so you want something a little sweet in there to knock that back. So we'll put in 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. We'll start there. If it needs more, this was a pretty big chicken, so we'll mix this around, get that sugar starting to dissolve. All right, and then we're going to use some onion powder. Get that in there, probably about, say about a 1/4 teaspoon. And then we're going to want some garlic powder, again about another 1/4 teaspoon. And if you've been watching my videos, you know I have a problem with black pepper. We'll call that good for today. And then you're going to want some salt in there. Sweet, salty, tart. It's going to be fantastic. Get that mixed up in there. All right, get this in here. There we go. Start mixing this around. You don't want this overly wet. You want just enough to be able to hold it together. You don't want to overpower the taste of the chicken. I know you've been places that I've been. There's just way too much mayonnaise in there, and it's sloppy and just not fun. So, all right, here we go. I think that looks pretty good. Craisins, I love them. I put them in almost everything I eat. Not everything, but pretty close. I always make cookies with them and everything else. So there's, oh, say probably 3 or 4 tablespoons of cranberries in there. And then I usually use cashews. But I've got some pecans here. Pecans, pecans, however you want to call them in your family. My grandmother said that a pecan is what you put under your bed at night. So we'll give these a rough chop, just so we can get them in there. But like I said, cashews, walnuts, you can use those. I am allergic to walnuts, so we'll avoid them. So that goes in there. Give that a nice little mix. Now this is absolutely best the next day. If you want to chill it overnight. I'm going to eat it right now. I put some butter on a Kaiser roll, put it in the frying pan, fried that up so it's nice and crispy. I like just regular old iceberg lettuce, so put that on there. Then you just want a nice big scoop of that on your sandwich. And voila. Now, you can have chips with this, you can have French fries with this, tater tots, anything you want. Tonight's going to be a sandwich for me. Got to get to bed. Got an early morning tomorrow. But it was great seeing y'all again. Subscribe to the channel. Like the video so you can see more of this. Let me give this a taste for you. that'll sell any day. Do appreciate you. Have a great night. See you soon.